This question belongs to engineering mathematics subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 1. So the question states, a function is continuous in the interval 0 to 2. It is known that f0 equals to f2 equals to minus 1. So f0 is minus 1 and f of 2 is minus 1 and f of 1 is 1 and f1 equals to 1. Which one of the following statement must be true? There exists a y in the interval 0, 1 such that fy equals to fy plus 1. For every y in the interval 0, 1, fy equals to f2 minus y. The maximum value of the function in the interval 0, 2 is 1. There exists a y in the interval 0, 1 such that fy equals to minus of f of 2 minus y. Okay, let us see. For option A, let us assume there exists a gy such that fy minus fy plus 1 equals to gy. Now since fy is continuous in the interval 0, 2, gy would be continuous in the interval 0, 1. Now what is g of 0? G of 0 is f of 0 minus f of 0 plus 1, which is f of 1. So f of 0 is minus 1 and f of 1 is 1. So g of 0 is minus 2. G of 1 is f of 1 minus f of 1 plus 1, which is 2. So f of 1 is 1 minus f of 2 is minus 1. So it comes out to be 2. Okay, and this was f of 0 was minus 1 and f of 1 was 1. And here also f of 1 was 1 and f of 2 was minus 1. Now, so this G graph can be plotted something like, for 0 we get a minus 2 value and for a 1 we get a 2 value. So here there will be some point where this graph will intersect the x-axis. So let us find that point. For that, g of y is 0, then f of y minus f of y plus 1. So we get f of y equals to f of y plus 1 for some y belonging to 0, 1. Within this range, there will be some point for which it will be equal to 0. So option A is correct. Let us see option B. For every y in the interval, f of y equals to f of 2 minus y. We can do the same for this question too. So what it is saying, f of y equals to f of 2 minus y. Let us verify it for this point, which means f of 0 equals to f of 2, which is true. F of 1 equals to f of 1, which is true. Now let us try to do it using this method. If you will do it by this method, then you will perform g of 0 and you will calculate g of 1. Let us assume g of y is f of y minus f of 2 minus y. Then g of 0 will be f of 0 which is minus 1 minus f of 2 minus 0 which is f of 2 minus f of 2 is minus 1. So it comes out to be 0. What is g of 1? G of 1 is f of 1 is 1 minus f of 1 is 1. So here you can say both of them comes out to be 0. So thus it is false. For option C, it is saying the maximum value of the function in the interval 0, 2 is 1. So f of 0 is minus 1, f of 1 is 1 and f of 2 is minus 1. Now it is possible that we can have the graph something like this. So in that, maximum value will be something more than 1. It can be something more than 1 also. There is no guarantee that it will be always less than 1. There is no guarantee that graph will go like this only. It can go like that also. So option C is also false. Let us see option D. So fy equals to minus of f of 2 minus y. For 0 we get f of 0 equals to f of minus of f of 2 and for 1 we get f of 1 equals to minus of f of 1. You see, f of 1 equals to minus f of 1. It is failing here only, as 1 is not equal to minus 1. So answer to this question is option A.